If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat add friends not working, you've come to the right place. So in order to fix this problem, we can just simply open our Snapchat, and if we click on icon like about add friends in the right top corner, we'll come to this page where we can find a quick add list, and also we can search for some new friends. And sometimes if you're going to click on plus add, we won't be able to send our invitationals and so on. So how can you try to fix it? Basically, the steps are quite simple and you need to follow all of them to fix it for 100%. And the first thing I'm going to recommend you to do is that you can easily open your profile, then scroll down to find your friends list, and after that you can try to delete the unnecessary friends from your friends list, because sometimes we have limit on our friends list and we won't be able to add more friends if we have, for example, I don't know, 500 friends or something like this. So we need to try to delete someone, so after that this slot will be automatically free for someone else. The next thing we need to do is that we need to open our settings. On the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android it may look a little bit different, but we need to scroll down to find a Snapchat settings here. And after that, just simply open this page and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on, because sometimes it's provides us the reason why can't we add friends on Snapchat. And the last thing we need to check is that we need to open App Store or Google Play and then search for Snapchat. And we need to open the main page of a Snapchat app. So make sure that you have the latest version, because sometimes if you have old versions on Snapchat, you won't be able to use some features, for example, adding friends or maybe even send snaps or something like this. So these are 3 reasons of how can we fix and how can we get this problem with adding friends on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.